Good day, everybody. It's Vax. It's still Vax. VAX. Now, previously in the first episode, we just started environment, created a project, started environment, added our CSS and JS4, and this is what we got. Hello world. Looked at the source files and everything was well linked. So what we're going to do now is going to go straight forward and try and insert. And what we're going to do is this. We're going to create a database called since it's NetBeans, I'm going to call it NB_SPA. Alright, and we're going to create a table called user. Alright, in the table there'll be an ID which will be auto incremented, which will be the primary key. Alright, and we also have another field, the full name, which will be type varchar, let's say 40. And then an email address, let's say varchar 40, and then the password should match is around 20. Alright, so let's get to work. So as I said, I'll be using XAMPP. You can use whatever you want to use. I believe my XAMPP is standard, so I go over to open my localhost PHP my admin. I'm using 81 as my port. I think I have issues with my 80 port, so as I'm using 81. Alright, it's coming on. My system. What's wrong with it? Why are you taking so much time? Alright, this is done. So I put in a database. Remember, I said we're going to call it NB_SPA. Create. Alright, then a table called user. If it's too fast, you can go back and rewind or pause the video. That's the beauty of a video. You can rewind it at all time. I will set full name, set email, and will set password. All of them will be in varchar. This will be 40. This is varchar, and this will be 40 as well. This is varchar, and this is 20. The int will be the ID will be auto incremented, automatically making it the primary key. And the email should be unique because no two persons can have the same email. So I'll make this unique. Nickname, I don't really care. That's what it is. So I think we're done with this. We save it. Save. Alright, we have a database. So let's get back to our NetBeans and do the rest from there. Alright, so ID, full name, email, password. Alright, now we're gonna work on our model page, which we're gonna call Java Connect. So a new Java class page. I'll call it Java Connect. Alright, we'll place all our database operation here. I don't want anyone speaking. Anyway, private string. So this is Java. Final. I'm calling it URL equal to JDBC MySQL localhost. By the way, you should have a good knowledge of Java before you can actually work on JSP. NB_, we'll call it SPA. Right? What's the problem? Private street final, what is it? Private final. Is it gonna put it in front? Okay, sorry, no, that's should be for changes. That was just why. Oh boy, use something else. Alright. Use a slide down. So private final string. This time around, I'll call this user. That's what the user name. My username this time around won't be the normal root and an empty password. Create a username, which is Vax, and I have a password, final string password. One first pass, which is what's wrong with you? Vaporize. You know what to do. First word right. All this vaporize. Alright, then also I'm gonna create private final string. I'm gonna call this table user, which is equal to, in our case, is users. Alright, we're gonna be needing this rest for connection con prepared statement pstmt and results set rs. Alright, this is what I want to use. Not this one. I want to use Java X to SQL the connection u SQL. These are the imports I want. Alright, it gives them to me exactly what I wanted. Alright, so I'm not going to talk much about database. I'm feeling that you should have learned Java before you come to JSP, so I'm not going to waste more time with that. I'll go right into it and say create first method, which is a public connection get connection. Alright, and then all the way a try catch block class. This is a web file, so this is necessary. Then the class is a web file. MySQL the JWC the driver. Right, the next one will be con equal to driver manager dot get connection. Beautiful. Who is even doing it for me? Beautiful. User. This end is too nice. I like it. Then what do we do here? That's real. So I just put a message saying I try catching either get the message. I see a lot of people putting system out of the print line. Kind of loud. You're not gonna get the print line in the word file, so there's no need to put that. So I return con and we're good to go. Alright? Next we'll create another file, another folder to insert. So public this time will be a void, public void insert user. We don't have a user object, so let's go create a user object first. So new Java class, let's call it user, and this now a user should have private integer ID, private string full name, private string email, private string password. Alright, so the rest can be handled for us. First I'll get an empty constructor. I really don't need that one. I don't know. I just have, I'm just used to putting it, even though I don't need it. Then come on, so insert code, I see the constructor, an empty one. Yeah, I'm going to get a constructor for 3 of them. Let me get a constructor again, 3. So this constructor will be 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to get another constructor for the 4 of them. Now, what's the essence of the constructor? We'll get to see that later as we're working on it. So insert code, the constructor. This time around I want the 4. This will be for updates. The 3 will be for a reading. Alright, so also we use this for inserting, because we're inserting full name, email, and password, so we need this constructor. So we're okay with that. So what we need to do next is insert getting inserted. And so I'll be all, and we're going to string this time around. So we're pretty okay with this. We save this, we close it, we're using it. So the user. Alright, now string SQL equal to insert into, don't forget we have a constant called TBL user plus full name, email, password, values 1, 2, 3. Once look at, we're adding 3 values, so we need 3 placeholders. These are the placeholders. So with that, we use a try catch. Now first of all, we're going to say pstmt equals get connection dot prepare statement. Beautiful. SQL gets that first, and pstmt dot set string 1. This one will need a full name, which is the first value there. So you're going to user dot get full name. Now, where is it getting this value from? This is the getter. This is what we created here. So this is the get full name. It's getting this automatically. Alright, so those are the essence of the getters. Alright, then after that, we need to get for the email. So pstmt dot set string 2, then email user dot get email. Right, and finally pstmt dot set string 3 dot user dot what get password. Right, now this is now all the files we need. Then we execute it. pstmt dot execute. Then finally we close the pstmt. Just close. Alright, we're okay with this. I really don't want to get up to the exception. Rather, it's not good to actually use exception. Let's use SQL exceptions and just specify at least once, that I'm not going to go through that stress. Get message. That'll be all. Actually, let me expand on this. You don't need to use a general exception. Could you specify the exact exceptions you use? In this case, would be the class not found exception and SQL exception. But I'm not really worried about that. Alright, so if we're done with this, then we have to move over and create a servlet class. The servlet, this is for inserting. So we're going to call it insert servlet. Alright? Yeah, definitely. Always add the information, because if you don't add it, you're going to have to do it manually, which is not necessary. So just add it. Alright, if you've done that, alright, back to this. What we're trying to achieve. Okay, there's a page. I'm trying to insert, but we have nothing to insert into. So what we'll do first is put a background image. No, it's not about this. We'll put a navbar first. So let's see, a navbar, right? Navbar, not a navbar. We put in an image, then image. Right? After the image, this will not put in our insert. So just write a little about us. Alright. This video is taking more time than I expected. Alright, so what to do? I first of all get that, but now I'm not going through this. I'm just going straight Bootstrap. I have a Bootstrap offline. You can work on online. This is my Bootstrap. So I come to navbar. I take the one I like this. I copy it, come over to my paste it here. This time around I don't want everything, so I want this. It's an SP application, so you can call it SPA, but not SPA. I'm gonna put an image here, image src. This will take us ing slash, let's see what we have, cs.png, right? Alternate, yes, Power Application Spark. Alright, the alt is actually very important. Make sure you always put an alt when you put an image. Maybe I don't really want it to be that, this picture to be that big, so I'm going to give it a height of 50. Alright, so scroll along. And button, what's this button for? Alright, this is a tabular button, so I'm going to leave this. And we don't need this again, since this will be directing us to home. And what we need here is about this. Now, this is about us. We just take us. I'm going to show you something about us. We click about us, take you down to the page and about us bit. About us part. So I'm going to delete this part. I will need this as well. And then I'm going to add insert values. I need to do that. Let's copy, paste this. Copy. I'm going to do another one. Copy. This is insert values. Insert values. This will be view all values or view all users. Insert user. Alright, so this will now be insert user. This will be view user. I think I'm going to stop this video at 20 minutes. Will be the first section, so it's making it 5. This is that. It's not going to just be a 5 series. It's going to be like a 6 series because this is actually taking much of the time. This form, we don't need a form because we're not logging in at all. So I put the navbar should work perfectly. Before I check that, I'm just going to add an image. I think I put an image here, so I just copy this and paste it here. Now this image time around will be image about team1.jpg. team1.jpg. Now step around using this. Width will be take the full page 100%. So let's see what we have so far. Then we'll ask a little about us. Either put there or something. Let's see. Now let's refresh the page. We have it's being beautiful. Hello was still there, which is not nice. So we'll delete that wherever you are. Come out. So let's read again. I'm happy with this. Now really I want to be a dark interface. So I'm going to come here, change this to dark, and change this to dark. Right? Then with that, I view again. So if you're clicking about this, let's take us down the page. Instead of user, take us down the page. View all users is going to take us down the page as well. So let's go work on that quickly. So let's listen about us. What about it? What do we need to know about us? I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a div. In the div I'll put h2 about spa. Right then here spa stands for single page application. This is a modern way of creating web pages, though it has been on for a long time. Now with Spa you didn't didn't have to go to and go to don't have to go to another page. Every detail reviewed on the same page. Right, okay. We'll leave that at that. Then star. I want my divs to always have a margin. So I'm gonna get this off. So div, first of all, HTML body margin 0, padding 0, border 0. What doing 0? Then this padding. I'm trying to. Oh gee, a lot of time. And 0, padding 0, 1, 0. Then what else is there? Width 100%, 100%, height 100%. So this is what I want to do. So div will now be a margin top or a margin of 20 pixel 0. Right. So now also all the paragraphs P should all be text align center. Alright, then as for the H2 should be text align center as well, but it should have a weight. Font weight should be about 800. The color should be 112. What else is there? Should be a Roboto. Then font family, you have to be online to use this. Let's say Tangerine. You have to be online to use Tangerine. It's a web application, you have to be online to view it. So let's see how it goes from here. So if I view what I've done, I'm back to index. Alright, that was the speed up. Let's just see it. Then let me view it and see. Beautiful. Okay, let's see how now with this ID equal to about us. Alright, that's right. So with the click of this, it takes us to this ID. Now let's just do the add form. I think it's going to be form. This video is really getting too long for my liking. I'm not going to take much time with this. Now, in the palette, palette color. So first of all, I need a form. Yeah, the action was the action taking us to the action will be a post, and that's all. So this, since we're using AJAX to name for the action, so the form, let's get a table. Table class is gonna be a table bordered. Okay, then tr td copy and paste. So I want this 4 times. Control V. Now the first one would be for label. Enter your full name. Right, this would be label, which is enter your email address. This would be label, enter your password. Alright, and this would be input type text. Then all we need is the ID this time because we're using AJAX. If it was the normal JSP, we would have need the name, but now we're just using AJAX. So I'll call it full name. That's all we need. Then for this as well, input type email, right? Then ID will be email. That's all. Then for the other one, input type password, then ID will be password. I think that's all. Then this, we added a special character called NBSP, standing for non-breaking space. This time I'll just put a button. So now input type, I'm going to use a button. Although if I even use a submit, it still will work, but submit has an issue with AJAX, except you use what they call prevent default, something like that. I can't remember, but I could work on that. I could make you see that, but let's use the button just for safer. And I did this around the what do you call this one? Save. Lack of a better name. Save user. Alright, then the password, sorry, the value will be save user, actually save user. But this time around, we're gonna make it class btn primary. Yep, btn lg as large. So that should be all. I think I should take it. Anyway, you can always rewind and play the video all over again. So let's see what we have first so far. I'll save that now. Take us here. What to do? I think I need let's do this. Control copy, cut this out. This will now be H2. Saying insert a user H2. Alright, now this H2 will have an ID of what do we call it? Insert users. So when we click on this, it should take us here direct. So save the page and let's go view what we've done so far. Okay, save. Alright, click on About Us, it takes us to About Us. Okay, so click on Set User, it takes us to Set User. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You know, we can use the call span to remove this. So what I'm going to do is this. I want this values to be closer here, and I want this to be here, better there than there. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to add another TD, or even rather than use the call span. And no need for that for now. I'm going to use a non-breaking space as usual. Alright, then for these values, I say I want them to float to the right, so I'll just come here and say label float right. Font weight 600. Sorry, 600. Font family tangerine as usual. Tangerine, or we'll go to or cursive. Right, I didn't do that this year. So we've done this. Let's see. Copy, just in case I'm not lying. Alright, so that's it. Let's see what we have so far. Pop, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You are supposed to be centralized, so it's there. In this case, let's leave it. So you enter your full name, enter your email, enter your password. It saves the user. But this time around, when you save the user, it's not going to go to another page. It's just going to come here and show us something here saying the user inserted successfully. So what we're going to do with this, we're going to come here. Where's the page working? This. We're going to come here and place a span. ID equal to user inserted. This will be the ID that tells us that a user has been inserted. Alright, so whenever you place it, I'm going to show you inserted. Rather than go to another page, just show you a user has been inserted, something like that. Right? We have 30 minutes, so stop the video here, then pick it up next video. Alright, if you like this, please recommend, subscribe to my channel or like my video. Thank you very much. Hope to see you in the next video. Adios.